Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you on how to change your side markers on your Mercedes ML W163. This video applies to the pre-facelift models that have the big side mirrors and have the side markers on the fender. Here are the new smoked side markers I'm going to be installing. These look a lot better and they're going to go very nicely with my black headlights. So let's get started. There's an arrow on the side marker which indicates where the tabbing is at. So I'm going to insert a screwdriver or a pry tool right in between there to pry it right out. And as you can see, this is where the tabbing goes. The adhesive in the front came off, but I'm not going to need these, so it's all good. And then remove the plug. There's a bulb already installed. So now plug in the wire into the new socket. Once it's in place, you're going to just give it a firm push. Once you hear that, it's locked in place, and now I'm going to test the signals. And here's the new side markers in action. These smoke side markers are going to go real well with my black headlights. I'm going to be having another video posted on the black headlights for my ML55, so please stay tuned by subscribing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and share, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.